True love is a choice, not just a feeling. It requires vulnerability. It is about interdependence, not dependence.
Welcome, all, to the Harvard University institution. It is our immense pleasure to have you here.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Director, and I am your new professor who is going to teach a lesson about true love. Let's begin our journey into enlightenment. Tell me, what do you know about true love?
I think it's about selfless commitment and accepting flaws.
Very well said by you two. I am very much impressed by your thoughts and analysis about true love. True love isn't about grand gestures. It's in the quiet, consistent choices we make every single day.
Yes.
True love is a choice, not just a feeling. It requires vulnerability. It is about interdependence, not dependence. True love isn't about grand gestures, but the depth found in comfortable silence.